Hi, I'm Dylan Hoover with Stubbs & Bammer Luxury Group. Welcome to your new home off Serenata Drive in Mission Viejo. It's been completely redone inside and I can't wait for you to see. Let's go take a look. At over 2,800 square feet on a 9,500 square foot lot, the possibilities are endless and there's room for absolutely everybody here. So in this custom redone kitchen, we have white shaker cabinetry, quartz countertops, and a custom backsplash, as well as a very, very deep sink and even slow close cabinetry. And then we'll come over here to the bar that matches everything that's in the kitchen with the same cabinetry, same backsplash, comes complete with a sink and even a glass filler that you would find at one of your local bars or pubs. Here in this amazing backyard, you can go from sitting around your fireplace to dining with your entire family and friends, have a massive yard space, a slope for all of your gardening and green thumb adventures, and then around the corner, there's space for all of your home backyard baseball games and even room for a pool. Opportunities are absolutely endless in this great backyard. As we come up to the second story, we can come on in here and the opportunities are absolutely endless for this room as well. You can make it into more bedrooms for the whole family, or you can leave it as it is for a work from home, homeschooling room, or even a media room. So everybody can have their own space in this great size home. Upstairs, we have the great size master bedroom, as well as 3 secondary bedrooms. In this master bedroom, it comes complete with an ensuite, and then right around the corner is the family bonus room. I'm Dylan Hoover with Stubbs & Bammer Luxury Group. Thank you for taking this tour with us on this beautiful property in Mission Viejo. If you want to find out more information or schedule a tour, just look at my contact information below and I'll reach out to you as soon as I can.